Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders are the first people of Australia. They are the first people to inhabit the continent of Australia. The terms Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders are umbrella terms to refer to a diversity of groups. They comprise hundreds of groups, each with its own distinct language, belief, and culture. Archaeologists estimate that they migrated to Australia approximately 65,000 years ago. But Indigenous people do not accept that. They believe that they have been here since the dawn of time. Like all other different nations across the globe, medicinal plants played a huge role in the lives of Aboriginal people. Half of the food eaten were derived from plants. Bush medicine refers to traditional medicines used by Indigenous people of Australia. It incorporates both physical and spiritual healing. The practice of bush medicine goes beyond physical healing, often involving spiritual and emotional well-being. Each plant utilized in Aboriginal bush medicine carries not only medicinal attributes but also a story, linking individuals to the dreamtime and the ancestral spirits. Today, we will be covering 3 of the most powerful medicinal trees used by Aboriginal people to treat colds and flu. These plants are not only used as medicine, but they also form part of their everyday diet. 1. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is a genus of more than 700 species in the myrtle family. These shrubs and trees are cultivated worldwide but are native to Australia. Some of the popular species under this genus include Eucalyptus, which is found in the regions of Brazil and Chile. Another one being irradiate, which is cultivated in South Africa. The eucalyptus tree holds profound significance in the relationship between Aboriginal people and the Australian landscape. Aboriginal communities have long utilized various parts of the eucalyptus tree for a multitude of purposes. The leaves, with their distinctive aroma, are employed in smoking ceremonies to cleanse and purify both individuals and surroundings, fostering a spiritual connection with the land. Beyond spiritual rituals, eucalyptus leaves are used for medicinal purposes. Aboriginal people used the steaming of eucalyptus leaves to treat bronchitis, asthma, and sinusitis. A tea prepared from eucalyptus leaves was used to relieve the symptoms of colds and flu. Some of the over-the-counter cough and cold products contain eucalyptus oil as the key ingredient. 2. Alphitonia. Alphitonia excelsa is the second tree on the list that was used by Indigenous Australians. Commonly known as red ashen soap tree, Alphitonia is a flowering tree from the family Rhamnaceae. Native Australians used an infusion prepared from the bark and roots of Alphitonia to soothe muscle pains. A decoction made from the tree bark and stem bark was used to treat wounds and cuts. Furthermore, an infusion prepared from fresh leaves was used to treat respiratory infections, such as coughs, flu and congestion. 3. Kurrajong. Kurrajong is a medium-sized evergreen tree native to Australia. This tree has been used by Indigenous Australians for thousands of years to treat a variety of sicknesses. The leaves of Kurrajong are depicted in bush medicine paintings. Kurrajong, known for its hardy nature, has been a valuable source of sustenance and utility for Indigenous communities. The seeds of the Kurrajong tree are traditionally ground into a nutritious flour, providing a staple ingredient for bush bread and damper. Beyond its role as a food source, various parts of the Kurrajong tree, such as the bark and leaves, have been utilized for their medicinal properties, believed to alleviate ailments like coughs and skin conditions.